Hey guys, I came fishing today for trout on Little Red River. Today is nice weather and I'm gonna enjoy the fishing, and I hope I will enjoy my catch. Let's see what's happened today and how successful gonna be our fishing. I use like bait like you see wax worms, mealworms, and baby crawler. Oh, fish jumping already, but I put my fishing pole in, but nothing bite yet. But I hope we'll catch something. Also like bait, on the side I got gulp, trout called salmon accent. We will see how this stuff working too. Okay, let's enjoy our fishing. If I will catch something, sure you will see it. Oh, looks like bite. Let's see what we got. Something is there. Right there, coming. Not really big one, but it's good. Let's pull it back here. It's a good one. Man, it's a good one. Yep. Looks like pound. Okay, thank you, Kai, for coming here. Oh, and hook is right there. See, I don't need even pliers. Okay, where is my bucket? We need bucket, guys. Put in the bucket. He's a good guy. Right there. It's first one today, but big one. Man, it's good. First bite, first fish. Okay. Let's put one more piece of marshmallow for these guys. They love marshmallow. And they love some worms too. Look here. How tasty is looking. Like that. Some jumping right there. Okay, let's put it those way. Opa, good. and we will wait on our next bite. People fishing here, they catch trout. Guys, looks our next bite is right there. Let's check it. Maybe I'm wrong, but I hope not. Don't wait even minutes for next bite. Huh. We need check bait, looks like. Possible our bait is gone or fish stay on. Just don't wanna pull line. Yeah, it's a bite. It definitely bite. Yep, fish is on. Fish is on. I don't know how big is it, but it's here. Not really big. It's small fish, but good size to put it on the grill. Not really small. I need pliers. We got our pliers, and we need fish. Unhook it. Here is hook. Here is fish. Going in the right spot. It's in our bucket. I think it's right here. Here's our nice lunch for trout. Good. I hope it's good. And we're waiting for next bite. See, we came 10 minutes ago, 15 maybe, and we already got two nice fishes right here in our bucket. One is a little bit bigger, one is a little bit smaller, but what we have to do? Oh, see, one bite again. One more bite. Yep, fish is on. Fish is on. What is it? Not big one, looks like, but it's on. Nice trout. Rainbow trout. Oh man, it's a good one. Right there in this ditch. Here is our hook. Here is our fish. 2 more and we will get limit. Let's try again. Here's more. Okay, waiting again. See? I got 2 fish in the roll. Doing good.
Not catching many?
Not really.
No browns? Nope.
No browns at all. We were waiting for our next bite. Enjoy weather, enjoy river, and still need to catch 2 fishes to our limit. Hold on guys, looks like we got. I just wanna say we're done, but looks like we got 1 more bite. Maybe I'm wrong. Nope, it's bite. It's definitely bite. Oh, and it's good one. No? No, it's good one. It's good one. No browns, but we got rainbows, and it's better than before. Oh yeah, it's good one. Fat, good size fish, over pound looks like. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's good one. It's a good one. Right there. Good. Oh, it's a good one. I'm lucky. Hook is here. fishes here. It's my biggest today, looks like. Oh yeah, 4 fishes. Right there. Opa, I got it. Use our favorite bait again. One mealworm. And let's throw it in to catch our limit. Okay. One more bite. And we got good fish. Really nice fighting fish. Opa, here it is. It's our limit. Not big one, not monster. Just regular size. Hook. I threw it out hook, but it's right here. I found it. Hop. And here is our limit. 5 fishes. Fishing is over for today. I camping here 4 days. It means I will come in tomorrow. Thank you for watching. It's a Little Red River. It's Kennedy campground. A lot of people fishing here everywhere. And we got our limit.